the look of shame. She's like, I'm ready. Bring it home.
You forgot to wait for that. When we started.
No, I know. I feel naked. Do you feel naked? You're gonna get doggy prints in there. You ready? It's going up.
We're going the wrong way?
No.
Is that it right in front of us?
I actually think, yeah, you're right.
It's like straight.
Yeah, no, we'll still hug the shore because,
What was that? Hey?
well, she did sit for the last hour while we...
Give her a little bit more food, maybe?
Maybe.
I think she's
I mean,
still really...
she did expel a lot of poop on our way here. Thankfully, none of it in the canoe.
I think I can...
Can you reach it? In today's episode of Becky Does Olympics. My hand's cold?
Oh, it's leaking.
Oh, shit.
Plug it.
With what?
Finger?
It's not the answer everybody was hoping for. It's need some love, eh?
We did love it.
Need some bow chicka wow wow.
We did.
You did. I would have never had a leak after my repair.
Well, then next time you repair it.
Actually, I think it was me that fixed it. I think that was an Opionga repair, wasn't it? No, we cleaned it. Well, forget Giardia, you know we didn't clean it. It's camp right down there. Pretty good Killarney vibes right now. Woo. There, you can see, just see the beach right there. Actually, you can see our canoe. for this thing.
Went to grab your GoPro, and I pulled my phone out and we're gone.
Oh, you want to go see?
I was gonna get. Is it easy?
Yes and no.
No, but I was trying to get a picture of you, and I saw you grab your GoPro, and I thought you were setting it down, and I just wasn't fast enough because I kept coming back and checking, but I missed you.
Well, poop.
Yeah, it was so close.
I love you.
I love you too.
There's service up there.
I know, I got it. I got a message. My office.
Did you see?
No, I can't see it. I texted you. I said, go back. Thank you.
Oh, you don't get any. You know, I'm going to admit that doesn't look appetizing, like in the least. Or is that this new knife? Is that coconut? I like your system. It's like you've done this before. It's amazing how far we can see now that everything is thoroughly soaked. Alles gut, ja. You understood that?
You said all is good.
I said alles gut, ja.
Oh. I said all is good.
Well, basically, that's what it means. My mother would be so proud at the crappy German that I picked up over 48 years. Kuma, hey, sit down. Hard left along the shore.
Goodbye, easy portage.
Now on to the portage of death.
So what lake are we in?
I honestly don't know. I think this is Big Clear Lake. This is Big Clear Lake and we're going to Devil Lake. That's right.
This is kind of neat. It's a new perspective.
It's a very new perspective that I'm highly enjoying.
Are we going home with the canoe?
Don't be shocked if we do.
And new straps?
New straps. I do have cam straps in the Bronco, but I think they're too short because I got them for holding stuff down inside. What a difference in weather.
I know.
Like, we had like torrential downpour, but it didn't rain.
Oh my god. At least they will get to see the
Yeah. Final portage. 900 some meters. I have to check the map. That was a slog. Devil Lake campsite's right there. Rebecca's back there. If I'm gonna give you any new person canoeing advice, it's to buy a canoe that's under 40 pounds. Because this thing, as heavy as it got at the end, holy shit, I would definitely. All I gotta say is this is gonna be fun. Portaging back up tomorrow. Cue Predator music right now. This is as far as she made it. It's over halfway. Oh, there she comes. I see paddle coming. Right there. Dudes, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. It's taken me 48 years to learn this. You find yourself a woman that can navigate, haul heavy loads, paddle, freeze half to death, take chunks of ice in the head, hang off of small ropes on a waterfall. Oh, she just put her shit down. Oh, that fell. Go over. She's probably struggling. Key to happiness. Badass woman.
Do you have your GPS?
Yeah. Wait till you see the last 100 meters.
Is that all there's left?
No, we're probably 300 meters till the end. Hi. I'll grab the rest of the stuff. Eins, zwei. Eins, zwei, drei. Nein. Okay, stop messing around. Let's go. Straight that way. Yep. Four. But if none are taken, we can take our time.
I just have to check my messages for Rick.
Yep. I share my pillow with you one time. and you claim it for yours. We're gonna hike out?
No. Unless you carry the canoe and all the gear.
That kilometer was enough to carry a canoe.
100 meters.
It was 898 meters.
I know, but the last 100 meters. So we are here, right?
Yes.
And this is where everybody comes in at, right?
Kingsford Dam? Yep.
Okay, I guess it is.
And we stayed here last night. So we did this, crossed, and then this, and this was the last section here that was really gnarly. Want coffee? You always say no. You got this.
You coming in? Come on, Kuma.
It's great on the knees.
I bet. Do not do it.
Do it. Do it. Do it, dog. You're not a dog if you don't splash her.
Thank you. I've
Okay,
trained her well.
Still a dog. Water's that chilly.
I was gonna dare you to swim it to the lily pads and back.
Ready?
Do you want to get in and then I get in, or?
I'll get in, then I'll scoot you out, and then I'll rush to get in. I'll try and get as close as I can to you, though. Oh, shit. You okay?
Yes, I'm in.
You're in now. Oh, we won't put that in the video. You okay? For real? Yep. Take your time. Stay, Kuma. Anything hurt?
No. Out my arm.
Yep. Use that. There's a little foldy thing there. Take two. That's okay. It's all right. It'll take it. Yep, you can sit back. Hold on, Kuma. You got out, so you can wait.
But she was making sure I was good.
Yep. All right. You're settled?
Okay.
Kuma, stay.
Nope. Stay.
Apparently, there's a giant rock
Yeah.
there. And one there. In you get. Good girl. Oh, yes. Good girl. I'm in. Last check for all the expensive stuff we left on this one.
You got your GoPro, you
Yep. Yep. 3 bags. A dog, you, me, my bag. A little bit of skin. You exfoliated, you okay?
Yeah, I don't think. Oh, there's one little. Nothing major.
Good.
We're going up this way?
Yep. Drops off fast here, eh? Sit down, Kuma.
To that point? Oh no.
What's that?
I don't know where we're going. Those are 3 islands? Or 2 islands?
Yep.
Are we going between the 2?
No, we're sticking to the shore. Kumo! Sure. Like a glove. Okay, Kumo. Ah, good girl. You next. Yep. Hurry up. That was graceful. Hold. Yeah. Oh, my knee just went. I don't think so. Land! Land! God, I'm glad no one was here to see that.
Makes it easy though.
Well, you gotta stand up eventually. We did it.
We did
We
it.
did it. Mwah. The last 100 meters to the truck. Always the hardest. I do enjoy this. I really do. Oh my God. I think we need to figure out something to do that's not trying to kill us. It would be fantastic. Maybe for a day. Yes. Bit of a disaster in here. So we made it. Obviously, we made it. We made it. We made it.
Last paddle was a little bit fucking.
Always ask me if I want to update. I don't want to update you right now because I want to go get coffee and cheeseburgers. So 12K.
12K.
Not bad. For, yeah, 6 portages total.
So
I cried once with my knee. We stopped.
what was it? 480, right?
480, 190, and 8 something.
Okay.
890. Map's right there.
890. So it was 480
Dog's dead.
plus 190 plus 890 is 1560
Dog is down.
times 2. So it was 3 kilometers.
Porting?
Yes.
It's not horrible at all.
But that's not counting the back and forth.
No, because what we would do with the gear, because we didn't pack the way we should have packed our baggage, is we had to shuttle stuff back and forth the odd time. Once we made it with one trip and it damn near killed you. You came around the corner, you like sweat pouring off your forehead. I was like, ee.
Did you see how I was carrying your go bag?
Yeah, I did. You had like
The strap
a
on my
Sherpa.
head?
You had and it was like pulling you, and like the veins in your neck were popping. And I was like,
It doesn't even matter. I could strangle myself.
I was like whistling when I was had the canoes. I had that Mr. Canoe head in my head again.
Oh,
I'm gonna watch all the episodes just for your pleasure. When we
I'm
get
not
home.
watching it.
Yeah, you are. I'm gonna force you like.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Take the fun and suck my soul out of my body.
That's probably what would happen if you watched Mr. Canoe Head. I saw
Yeah,
2 minutes of
we
it.
watched. Yeah, it was like 2 or 3 minutes of Mr. Canoe Head out there where we actually had service, and she's just like, "Dear God, what is wrong with you?" Mind you, I was like 6 or 7 when I watched that, so I mean, it was a bit older.
I was gonna say, are those portagers? No.
I was gonna say, if they beat us, respect, because they were all in their 60s.
Except for the only one, Satan, who was ready to kill somebody.
Yeah, I think she had a grip on realism. Anyways, that is our 2-night, 3-day trip in Frontenac Provincial Park. We're going to go take the rental back, buy a canoe, put it on the rack, go get coffee in Westport, hopefully somewhere. If not, I'm breaking in and I'm making us coffee. I don't care. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe now.